This is the DTMF home automation project done by group number 1, and I will be explaining the project. First, we took a 606 step down transformer where 0 represents the center tape and 6 represents the voltage on either side of the center tape, which is 6 volts. This is connected to a voltage regulator of 6 volts so as to convert the 220 volt source to 6 volt source. To convert the AC voltage to DC voltage, we are using a full wave rectifier which consists of two diodes and two capacitors. And this light right here represents the current is passing through the circuit. The next part of the circuit is the DTMF module, in this case we are using a HT9170B DTMF module which operates at 3.58 megahertz. So we also connected it with a crystal operator of the same frequency, that is 3.58 megahertz. These two resistance represent the filter resistance and the cool down resistance for the DTMF module. We also used a 100 nanofarad capacitor so as to filter the signal, and we used a jack so as to connect the mobile with the DTMF. The next part of the circuit is the CD4013BE IC, which is a decade output IC. It is used in the low counting applications. In this circuit, it is connected to an LED and it is used as to confirm that the signal from the DTMF tone generator is passing through the circuit, as it shows when I press number 7 here. The last part of the circuit is the relay. The relay here works as a switch. It is connected to two transistors which amplify the signal, and this LED here is used as an indicator as to confirm that the relay is working. The AC source is directly connected to the bulb. Now I will show you the working. For the working, I am using a DTMF tone generator which can be found on the internet. When I press a number in this DTMF tone generator, the signal passes through the circuit and the light turns on. And when I press it again, the light turns off. This shows that, and this can be used in any home appliances.